Maine. We are sitting next to the Walmart. That's what it's saying it is right now. Around, go. So today is a cleaning day, which is always fun, of course. So picking up trash as it accumulates over the week and as you're driving, which does faster than you typically want it to, but you know, there you go. You know, sweeping, wiping down with Lysol wipes, little drips and things like that occur, and things that spill, and little pieces of paper that get here and there and everywhere. Sure. Button up there. So I was able to get my dishes done the other day, and now today is the day I can actually put them away. The next major chore after I clean today is a little bit of organization for my file. You know, for all my bills of lading and, you know, driver stuff for that. But, you know, just generally put things away, reorganize, you know, make things neater, cleaner, a little bit easier to deal with. You know, all that jazz. Okay. So, you know, always have a something to do. That right there, I guess. All right. So it's not as easy as you sometimes think it would be to keep a small space clean, because unfortunately you have to move things around in order to do that. Especially when it's nice and cold, you know, only 5 degrees outside, and you really do not want to get out of that nice warm bed. That's the toughie. So it's Saturday night, now 7:30, and got pretty much cleaned up in the truck, laid around, did not much of anything, made my dinner with my new panini press, washed my dishes, basically put all my dirty clothes away. You know, folded them up so next time I get to a laundry, it's done. Finally got me some appropriate size screws so I can mount my my TV up where it needs to be, so I don't have to keep throwing it on the bed when I roll down the road. And just sitting here watching a little YouTube. And basically just got things neatened up, tidied up. Things put away up there where they need to be, or as close to that as possible. So in the morning, all I got to do is put things away. A good Sunday morning. Just about 7:45 here in Waterville, Maine. It was down to about 1 degree last night. 5 to 1 degrees Fahrenheit last night. Ran the truck for about 4 hours total, 5 hours total yesterday, in the morning and in the afternoon. And the bunk heater did keep the bed fairly decent all night. It was nice and toasty warm. So as of 2 o'clock, 2:30 this morning, I completed a 34-hour reset. So I have a full 70 hours worth of on-duty time starting right now. Have an appointment in Bangor to have this truck looked at because this engine light is staying on, and I'm having a problem, with the losing power going up some of these hills. So first thing tomorrow morning, we're going about almost 60 miles over to Bangor, and then hopefully they can get it fixed, see what's wrong with it, get it taken care of. Who knows, I might be going into a hotel, but yeah, that does impact, my income. But I'd rather, I'd rather have the truck looked at and worked on than have it, something catastrophic go on and have it shut down for even longer. So, not the ideal, but it's one of those things you got to tolerate in order to have it done correctly. So, got the sun finally peeking up over the building here. It's still saying 5 degrees outside. Got lots of ice on the windows. Bit of condensation on the inside, but not a whole lot. And some of it is icy, but that's to be expected. So gonna let the truck run for a good while. It's gonna melt all this ice off the windshield in the driver and passenger doors. It basically just warm the truck up, period. Get everything flowing, make sure it stays operating, blah, 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 blah. So today I'm gonna go into Walmart here and get my Powerade Zeros for my drinks for the days. I got 2 gallons of water still in my cooler here, which is actually warmer than the regular air temperature outside, so the water's staying liquid as it turned to ice. So first thing we're gonna do, gonna make myself a cup of hot chocolate here, because I don't like or drink coffee. I do like hot chocolate. So make me a nice large cup of hot chocolate. And I might get a couple eggs and a potato for and maybe a little bit of sausage or bacon. Make a little breakfast. All right, so we went into Walmart, did a little bit of shopping, This is what I got today, Sunday. Picked up a few things. So this is what I have in the truck. You know, I bought myself some new underwear, some tissues. Winter time, you need those. You always need underwear. I bought 24 of the Powerade Zero. No calories, no sugar. Which if you're gonna have a sports drink, that's the way you want to go. I got a couple of breakfasts here and some sandwich and salads fixings. So I got 6 eggs, some bacon, a couple of russet potatoes. That's gonna be 2 3-egg and potato breakfasts with bacon. And also I can use the bacon in a salad, on a sandwich, or just as a snack. So that's going to be at least 3 or 4 meals, and accompaniment to meals right there. Tonight I'm going to make some taco / burritos. So we got some 7327 ground beef. Got a bell pepper, some cheese, some tortillas, chili powder for flavoring, tomato sauce, some refried beans, some lettuce. I already have an onion right up here. So that'd be good for salads, sandwiches, and for our burritos. All this will be cooked, prepared, eaten, and cleaned up after in the truck. You can eat, you can cook in a truck. It's easy. And it's all in this, for all of this stuff here, including the clothes and, you know, and the tissues, all this here was less than was about $50. I'll tell you exactly the exact dollar amount. Here in Bangor, or in Waterville, Maine, I spent $59.81 for everything you see here. I got 24 Powerades Zeros at 80 cents each. Now, some places you can get it for 68 cents. Some places are $1, but here in Maine, they were 80 cents at the Walmart. So these tortillas, they're going to provide wraps, burritos. That's going to be approximately 2 burritos. That's going to be 3 meals. So that's 3 meals from that. The potatoes and eggs and bacon, that's 2 meals. So that's, you know, that's 5 meals right there. What I had bought the day before, a little bit of package of ham, package of turkey, some Swiss cheese, and the bread, which was about $6, $7 total. I had 1 panini sandwich last night. I'll get 2 more out of this. From Saturday all the way to Friday, including what I already have up in the my little pantry here: pastas, soups, tuna, chicken spread, ramen noodles, you know, and all the spices and things that I would need. For under $70, I'm gonna have food the entire week. That includes chips, cashews, you know, pasta. You know, I have everything I need for the week. Under $70 for an entire week. So when people are complaining about money in a truck, It's because they're not spending it wisely. So it's up to now 24 degrees is what we're up to. Now we just got to put all this stuff away. And I'm going to make my late breakfast here. Potatoes and eggs with a little bit of bacon. And then we'll put things away, organize, work on a little video, and enjoy the rest of the day.